Nasa pangatlong type na tayo ng special product. So that is square of a binomial. Ano yung square of a binomial? Ang square of a binomial is meron siyang general form for the square of a binomial r. Okay, meron tayong dalawa. Ang first case natin is squaring a binomial sum. So ang formula sa pag-square ng binomial sum, for example, a plus b squared. Ang sagot natin is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And then, ang squaring a binomial difference, okay, a minus b squared, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so paano natin kinuha ang mga formula na ito? Uunahin natin itong ating squaring a binomial sum. Ang general form natin sa ating squaring a binomial sum is a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so to square a binomial, do the following. First, square the first term. Okay, so i-square natin yung ating first term. Sa ating given dito na a plus b squared, ang first term natin is si a. So si a, i-square natin siya. Kaya ang sagot natin is a squared. Second, add the product of the two terms. Okay, so i-add natin ang product ng two terms. Ano yung two terms natin? A and b. So i-multiply natin si a and b times 2. Kaya, 2ab. Okay? So, minultiply natin ang ating two terms times 2. And then third, add the square of the last term. Ang last term natin is b. So, i-add natin ang kanyang squared. So, that is b squared. Okay? So, i-apply natin ang ating formula. Meron tayong example dito, 2x plus 6 squared. This is squaring a binomial sum kasi sum ang nandito or addition. Kaya squaring a binomial sum. So ngayon is isolve na natin siya. So 2x plus 6 squared. First, ang first step natin is square natin ang ating first term. Ang first term natin is 2x squared. So 2x squared, 2x. Si 2x kapag squared natin si 2x, squared is magiging, so 2 squared is 4, then x squared is x squared. So, ang sagot natin sa number 1 is 4x squared. And then, ang second, add the product of the two terms. So, i-multiply natin ang two terms natin. Ang two terms natin is 2x, and 6. So, 2 times 6 is equal to 12x. And then, 12x multiplied by 2. Okay, so 12 times 2 is equal to 24. Kopyahin natin si x. So, ang second term natin is 24x. And then last, add the square of the last term. So, ang last term natin is 6 squared. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So, 36. Okay, so, i-arrange na natin ang ating sagot. So, ang sagot natin is 4x squared plus 24x plus 36. So, ito na yung sagot natin. Meron na tayong sagot kaagad kahit na hindi natin siya isolve. Okay, kapag i-multiply natin si 2x plus 6 squared sa long method of multiplication, so 2x plus 6 times 2x plus 6. Okay, so 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Positive kasi pareho positive. 6 times 2x is equal to 12x. And then 2x times 6 is equal to 12x. 2x times 2x is equal to 4x squared. Okay, so bring down 36. 12 plus 12x is equal to 24x. And then plus 4x squared. So ito na yung sagot natin, 4x squared plus 24x plus 36. So pareho lang sila. Pero hindi ka na nag-solve dito sa iyong squaring a binomial sum. Ngayon, i-apply na natin ang ating natutunan. So, squaring a binomial sum. Paano natin i-square ito na sagutan na natin siya kaagad na hindi na natin siya kailangang i-solve. Okay, so ang first gagawin natin dito sa ating first example, a plus 1 squared, ang gagawin natin is square natin ang ating first term. So, first term is a. So, that is a squared plus i-multiply natin ang ating first term at second term times 2. So, a times 1 is equal to 1a or a. Kasi si a automatic meron na yan siyang 1. So, a times 1 is equal to 1a. and then multiplied by 2. So 1a times 2 is equal to 2a. Plus, square natin ang ating last term. Ang last term is 1. So 1 squared meaning 1 times 1 equals 1. Okay, so ito na yung sagot natin kaagad. A squared plus 2a plus 1. Another example, 2a plus 4 squared. Okay, first, square natin ang ating first term. So, 2a squared is equal to 4a squared. Plus, i-multiply natin ang first term at second term times 2. So, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So, 8a times 2. 8 times 2 is equal to 16a. Plus, a squared natin ang ating last term. So, ang last term natin is 4. So, 4 squared, meaning 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, so ito na yung sagot natin agad. 4a squared plus 16a plus 16. Last example, 7m plus 6n squared. First, i-square natin ang first term. So, 7m squared, meaning 7 times 7 is equal to 49m squared. Plus, i-multiply natin ang ating first at second term times 2. Okay, 7 times 6 is equal to 42. So, 42 times 2 is equal to 84. Okay, 84 and then mn. Kopyahin lang natin si m at si n. Again, so minultiply natin si 7 times 6 is equal to 42. And then, i-multiply pa natin siya ng 2. So, 42 times 2 equals 84 mn. Okay. So, plus 6n, ang last term is square natin. So, 6n is 6 times 6 equals 36n squared. So, ito na yung sagot natin. 49m squared plus 84mn plus 36n squared. O, diba? Kapag alam mo na ito pala is square of a binomial sum, alam mo na agad kung paano mo sasagutan na hindi mo na kailangang mag-solve gamit ang long method of multiplication. Okay, dahil tapos na tayo sa squaring a binomial sum, ngayon naman squaring a binomial difference. So, ang formula natin is a minus b squared. Ang sagot natin is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, same lang siya ng process. Kaya lang, ang second term natin is subtraction ang ating operation. Paano natin i-square ang binomial difference? Gagawin natin ito. So, first, square the first term. So, ang first term natin is a. So, ibig sabihin, i-square natin si a. Kaya, a squared. And then, second, subtract the product of the two terms. I-subtract natin ang product ng two terms times 2. Ibig sabihin, ang term natin is a and b. So, i-multiply natin siya times 2, tapos i-subtract natin. Kaya, minus 2ab. And then last, add the square of the last term. So, ang last term is i-square natin siya. Okay, so ang difference lang talaga nila is ang second term. Kasi ang sum is of course addition and then ang difference is subtraction. Okay, so gagawin na natin siya gamit ang ating example, x minus 7 squared. X minus 7 squared. So, ito yung tinatawag nating squaring a binomial difference. Kasi dalawang term tapos difference siya kasi subtraction and then square natin. So, ang gagawin first, square the first term. So, ang first term natin is x. So, ibig sabihin, square natin siya, x squared. And then next, subtract the product of the two terms. So, subtract minus ang product ng dalawang term times 2. So, ang dalawang term natin is x and 7. So, x times 7 is equal to 7x. Times 2, so 7 times 2 is equal to 14 and then kopyahin natin si x. And then last, add the square of the last term. So, i-square natin si last term. Ang last term is 7. So, 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So, 49. So, ngayon, isulat na natin ang ating sagot. So, x squared minus 14x plus 49. Okay, so ito na yung sagot natin sa ating x minus 7 squared. Ang sagot natin is x squared minus 14x plus 49. Ngayon, i-apply na natin ating squaring a binomial difference. Okay, first example, t minus 8 squared. Okay, ano yung unang gagawin natin? i-square natin ang first term. So, t ang first term natin. So, t squared. And then, i-subtract natin ang product ng 2 terms times 2. So, ang 2 terms natin is t and 8. So, that is t multiplied by 8 is equal to 8t. And then, okay, 8t times 2. So, 8 times 2 is equal to 16. 16t. And then, lastly, add the square of the last term. So, ang last term natin is negative 8. So, kapag square natin si negative 8, 8 times negative 8 is equal to 64. So, i-add na natin si 64 dito. Okay, so ito na yung sagot natin. T squared minus 16t plus 64. Another example tayo, 2x minus 10 squared. So, i-square natin si first term. Si first term is 2x. So, 2x squared, meaning 2 times 2 equals 4x squared. Minus, i-multiply natin ang first term at second term times 2. So, 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Kopyahin natin si x. 20 times 2 is equal to 40. So, 40x. And then, lastly, ang ating last term is square natin. So, ang ating last term is 10. So, 10 squared is equal to 100. Okay, so ito na yung sagot natin. 4x squared minus 40x plus 100. Last example tayo, 2m minus 7n squared. Okay, so square natin si first term again. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4m squared. Minus, i-multiply natin ang first term at second term. So, 2 times 7 equals 14. 14mn. And then, times 2. So, 14 times 2 is equal to 28. Kopyahin lang natin si m at si n. mn. And then, plus, i-add natin ang square ng last term. So, ang last term natin is 7n. So, i-square natin siya. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. And then, n squared. So, 49n squared. Okay, so ito na yung sagot natin. 4m squared minus 28mn plus 49n squared. O, diba, napakadali lang talaga mag-multiply ng polynomial kapag alam mo yung mga special products. So, natapos na tayo sa 3, 2 na lang yung kulang. So, sa susunod na naman nating lesson, pag-uusapan yung dalawa. Ang dalawa is cube of a binomial at ang isa is product of a binomial and a trinomial. Ayan, sana may natutunan kayo sa ating lesson for today. See you on our next lesson. Bye!